So I am in a truck stop in the middle of nowhere. I'm about 2.5 hours south of Mackay. I just had a cold bit of meat, some liver, and now I'm dipping a banana. Oh, I put cottage cheese on my meat. That was pretty good. I've never done that before. But now I'm dipping a banana in some coconut yogurt, and this is my dinner, and then I go to sleep. I don't want to dirty a spoon, so if I've got to dirty a spoon, I've got to clean a spoon. It's about a minute. What the hell is that? That's my stop driving alarm. There's about 1 million stars outside. It's great for star watching. This tastes excellent. Coconut yogurt, dairy free, life cultures and probiotics, natural flavour. I made my bed just high enough off the floor so I can just sit up straight, straighten my back. And it's lucky. Oh, I could have put some honey on there. I got this honey out of my friend's fridge when we disconnected his fridge for storage. It's cold and it's not coming out real good because it's cold. It's been in the fridge. Honey yogurt banana. That's $1 million idea there. What I'm not a fan of is packing and unpacking my fridge 100 times a day. I only have a little fridge. So if I want something that's under that, and everything's under the top thing, then you have to take everything out to get to something else. So it's quite annoying. My goal one day is to have a big van and a yacht and sail all winter in the yacht up North Queensland, maybe around the world, not sure, but North Queensland in the winter. Then when it gets too hot in the summer, go down to Victoria and do stuff down in Victoria on the boats and make videos and things like that. And then when it gets too cold down there in the winter, go back to Queensland and sail through the Whitsundays and do all that cool stuff when it's cold in Victoria and perfect up in Queensland. So I have our van, but one day the plan is to get a big van so I can do it in comfort, and a yacht, and then enough money to do all these things. Right now I'm at a truck stop 2.5 hours south of Mackay. Set my bed up now. This is the thing I sleep in. I hang it up to air it in the day, but got to put my mattress down and then hang up the towel on the other end so people can't see in, and also to stop the sun coming in too early. And then my sleeping bag's rolled up over here. How well you can see. Let me have another torch here. this little thing that I sit on and kneel on. I do my... I'll take this down. Oh shit. Off my clothesline. So, this is my process every night. Big fly in here. So I have my towel. I hang this up on the window with magnets, 4 magnets. I'll put my mattress down first. Change my mind. Mattress and then my towel. Four magnets. Three at the top. One down the bottom to keep the towel off my head. And then my sleeping bag. Just like that. My pillow. So that's what it looks like, other than that's what it looks like. It's not bad. I have the air vent. I open the air vent and then I put the fly screen that I made across it. I get fresh air and I'm ready to sleep. Reading a book at the moment. It's a good book. Jesse Martin Lionheart. But I put the torch on red. It's got a red thing, and apparently when it's on red, people outside can't really see that there's someone in here because there's a red light. So there's the red light, and apparently the red light doesn't attract bugs, so I read the book with the red light on. I'll show you this thing. See the sunroof. Fly. So I pop that. Give me. I've got one on both sides. One there. And whatever direction the wind is blowing, I open that one so I get the breeze. It's actually very nice. And my fly screen. fly screen has magnets in it. That's not actually the right one. This is the fly screen for the... Oh. There we go. That's a fly screen for the other one, but kind of the same. And that is it. Ready to sleep. Yeah. That's all there is to say about that. Ready to sleep. North a bit longer. See you in the next video. If you like the video, hit subscribe, hit the like button. That way you'll get notified to all my new videos as I upload them, and I'll see you in the next video.